welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you. It's going to be coming from the Dollar Tree and Michael's, and then I picked one thing up at Sam's. So let's get started. I'm really excited. The first thing I want to show you are these pins that I picked up at Sam's. If you watch my plan with me, I showed you this blue pen. It's a set of 40 big color marking pens, and I really love them. You get 6 metallic markers, 10 ultra fine markers, and 24 fine markers. And they have such beautiful colors. If you plan, this is perfect. Now, I've only tried the blue one so far. This one right here, and I loved it. This one right here, and I loved it. This was $9 and something, so it's a great deal, and I got it at Sam's, so I wanted to show you that. Now we will go to Dollar Tree, okay? I picked up these little stickers from the Dollar Tree. I just thought the Valentine stickers were so cute. I picked that up. And then I got 2 of these. I'm going to be doing a DIY that I'm very excited about with these, okay? And then I found this little love sign, and I think it's so cute, and the O has a heart cut out in it. I think it is really, really super, super cute. That's really cute. And then I got some of this foam moss. I picked this up. Now, I usually have trouble with moss. It like takes my breath, so I don't know. I'm hoping that I can use this. We'll see, okay? And then I saw these, and I thought they were adorable. They're just the little houses, like fairy houses, and this says welcome, and they have flowers on them. I think they are adorable. And then I saw this one, and it looks like a mushroom. I think that is so pretty. I picked that up, and they're kind of big. And then this one was really, really cute with the little purple flowers on the top, and then the flowers near the door. I love that. It looks like a tree. And then this little gate was so pretty, and it says welcome to with flowers. I just think in the little stones, I thought that was really pretty. And this little seat, I couldn't believe it. Look how cute that is. And then it has like little, leaves of some sort to make the seats. I think that is so precious. I just love this. And then I picked up a fairy garden figurine with the welcome, and then the leaf pointing the way, and then the little house. And then what's a fairy garden without some little fairies? I picked up, one set of this that has 3. And then I have some gnomes here. I thought they were really cute. One has a bird on top. One has a sign holding it with an arrow. And this one's just, I guess he's just holding his hands. Okay, and then I picked up this. I tell you, this is just too cute. Look at this little slide. I mean, isn't it delicate and beautiful? It almost reminds me of a shoe, but it's a leaf. Isn't that so pretty, okay? And then I picked up these stickers as well. They've had these last year, but I picked up some more. And then they had these last year too, but the birthday stickers, I went ahead and picked these up. Now, and then one more thing. I don't remember seeing this last year, the craft bottle for Valentine's at Dollar Tree, but I picked that up. So all this that I just showed you, except for the pins, came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now we're going to go to Michael's, and everything you see will be from Michael's, okay? They were having a big sale, okay? And they had this, I thought this is gorgeous. It is so pretty. It's just spring flowers. And when I was in there, these were $2 each. It's kind of faded, but they were $2 each. And I think they were either 30 or 40% off. I don't remember. But I got 2 of these because I think these are gorgeous. That's just it. And then I got 2 of these, and they were $2 as well, and all this was on sale. But I love that greenery. It almost looks like rosemary or something. I love it. And then I picked up 3 of these. These 2 are a lot greener. I just love like how that looks. And this, a bright green, and then this is a darker green, but I love those. And then I found a tobacco basket that I love. This was, I believe it was 50% off. It was $14. And I'm pretty sure it was 50% off. I'm not sure 100%. It was 40 or 50, but I think it was 50. But I'm going to be sort of renovating in a way my utility room. My husband's going to build me some shelves. Right now he's been really busy, so he hasn't been able to. But I'm hoping within the next week or so he can build them. And naturally you'll come along with us. Probably even when we select the wood, and I'll let you see a little bit of him building it. And then I'm going to stain the wood and fix it like I want. And then I'm going to put some dishes that I have out there that I really didn't have any room for. And I'm going to put this out there. So I'm really excited, and I think you all will really enjoy that. Then I picked up, and like I said, this is still from Michael's, this little heart cookie cutter. It was $2, and I don't even remember if it was on sale or not, but that's what I got. And then this washi for Valentine's. I love that hearts. They're kind of iridescent. And then this just says love on it. I think that's really pretty. This was $5, but it was on sale as well, 40 or 50% off. And then these stickers were $3, but I thought they were so pretty because I'm going to do a pocket letter for Valentine's. I had a request, so I'm going to be doing a pocket letter, and I'm really excited to do it. And then they had these Happy Planner sticker books, and I went ahead and bought one. Now, they were regularly $19.99, and I think I paid... I think it was like $8 or something for it, but it is so pretty. Let me just show you everything in it. Normally I wouldn't spend that much money on it, but I love some of the things in this little book, like these little people, these little girls. I love them, so I just had to have them. But I think they're absolutely adorable. And then the little boxes that you can put things in. They just have so many. See how adorable these are? I love them. I just had to get them. And then naturally that's for like Valentine's. But see the little umbrella and the little girls? I think these are adorable. And all this, I just love. And look at that, won't you? I just love fashion and anything to do with little dolls like that. I don't know. But look how cute that is. These are absolutely precious. I just had to grab it. Okay, so I picked that up. And there are 819 pieces in here. So that's a pretty good deal. Then I saw this. I think this is the last thing. And when I saw this, it's just this is, the little girl's name is Abby on this one, and it's a cling stamp. And I thought I could decorate my planner with this. I could stamp this out, color her, decorate my planner with her, or even just do other things with it. I just think it's gorgeous. So I'm really excited to start using that. And like I said, I love these dolls. So that's what all I have managed to come and grab. So that is everything that was in my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun shopping and getting this stuff, and I'm really looking forward to some DIYs. I think you're really gonna love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.